What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this little guy is basically a little experiment I've been working on, fooling around with, and it has mostly LDARC and BetaFPV parts. So this here has basically the electronics of the Pro 2 from BetaFPV, the 75 Pro 2. So it's that all-in-one board that's supporting just 1 and 2S. And I have the motors, the 1103 12,000 kV motors from the BetaFPV 75X, and this frame is from the 75X. Now this canopy here is from LDARC. I think it's the 6X, and this 300 milliamp hour HV2S pack I'm going to be testing it with is only charged to normal voltage. So I was just fooling around with this thing in the house, and it flies pretty nice, and so I figured I'd bring it out here and fly it outdoors and also let you guys check it out. So this is my first flight with this outdoors. So let's get it. We might do some line of sight, a little FPV too. It's freezing out here, so hopefully this battery isn't being done dirty by the weather. It'll probably have a shorter flight, more than likely, due to the cold weather, is what I'm trying to say. There's no hoping it doesn't or not. It's just gonna do it. My hands are cold. It's so cold out here.
RF signal critical. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Take off with it. These props are from LDARC. These are the 1535s. So that's the punch out. Let's bring it back. The wind's blowing it away, freezing my hands. I have something else I want to bring out here and test out in the cold. You guys will check that out in the next video. But let's do another punch out. So it seems like it's flying really nice. The punch out is really nice with these larger 1103 motors paired with this Pro 2. It has the Pro 2. Whoa! And I lost orientation. Oh, this is an opportunity for us to check out the flip over after crash function. So let's see if it'll flip over with these props and all. Whoa! It definitely did. Okay, so I know we're going to have a shorter flight time because of the cold. So let's try to get some FPV going with it. Man, it's breaking up bad. Well, on this little monitor, it's breaking up bad anyway. So it flies nice. No buzzer on this model here. So we got to pay attention to the OSD. I had a different canopy on this thing and it smashed to bits. It was one of those BetaFPV potato chip canopies. So yeah, this little guy FPV is nice. This antenna isn't working too well with this little monitor here though. Maybe it's where I was standing. Nope, it's still not doing too hot. Let's bring it in because I think the battery's dying. Yep, let's bring it in. So that's it, a quick little test flight of this experimental build that I did with FPV parts from BetaFPV and some parts from LDARC as well. So seems like it runs pretty nice. I like this configuration, especially indoors. Not too bad outdoors either. Thanks for watching.